Hello, my name is METİN. This is 257th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, physicists, you are wrong. You cannot accelerate the electron even by applying its at rest 511 mega electron volt energy if it were 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. Electrons at rest mass is not 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. Yes, in accepted physics theories, they say, below the quote from Wikipedia, subject is electron volt. This is quote, an electron volt is the amount of kinetic energy gained or lost by a single electron accelerating from the rest through an electric potential difference of 1 volt in vacuum. This is wrong. According to my theory and my formulas, unless you apply an amount of energy that exceeds the energy of a rest electron, you cannot move the rest electron. How? This is relativistic formula. According to me, this is wrong. Here, 0 for rest mass of a photon. Now think of this as if electron motion forms mass. Okay. Yes. This is kinetic energy. Make gains electron. Okay. In accepted physics theories, only 1 eV or 2 eV or 5 eV. Okay. Only 1000 volt enough to kick the electron that has 99.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. This is wrong. You cannot kick electron by these applying voltages or applying energies. Yes. 1. It is the point effect. It is the point effect energy of the electron measured to date in terms of energy. 2. However, contrary to accepted physics opinion, the electron is not a dimensionless point particle. Electron motion form has a specific, at rest, initial wavelength and corresponding mass and energy. 3. Each specific mass corresponds to a specific wavelength of an electron motion form. According to accepted physics theory, According to accepted physics theory, rest mass of an electron is 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram. If this is so, this electron must have a specific wavelength. At rest, 9.11 10 to the minus 31 kilogram mass corresponds at rest 511,000 electron volt, and its initial at-rest wavelength is 0.0024 nanometer. Lambda normal, 0.0024 nanometer. 9.11x10⁻³ electron. Here. Okay. According to me, because E is unitless constant that I put forth instead elementary charge 1.602 10⁻⁹ coulomb. And according to me, because E is unitless constant equals to 0.1592 unitless constant, and 511,000 eV is linear velocity component energy for 9.11 10⁻31 kilogram electron, if it exists. It corresponds 81,661.38 volt C component energy. What? Okay. And EV is nothing but volt. According to me, volt is energy unit. I advise you to notice my formula. I advise you to watch my formula videos if you want. Here, one of my formulas. If an electron motion form, if I make it gain velocity by applying voltage, if electron motion form is in motion direction, its wavelength will be short. Opposite side will be larger than normal. And when an electron motion form is in motion, it changes its shapes. Okay. And for each point, for its waves, wavelengths, wave velocities, point wavelengths, point wave velocities, point energies, etc., change, variable. On the surface of ring-shaped electron motion form and its successive waves, energy distribution, mass distribution, velocity distribution change. Here, shortened wavelength formula that I put forth. Here, if an electron motion form is at rest, delta lambda is equal to 0. Okay. This is my formula, one of my formulas. Even though applied voltage is equal to at rest energy of electron motion form, because electron motion form will not change its shape and delta lambda will be equal to 0, electron motion form will still stay at rest, and at rest initial wavelength will not change. Therefore, when we apply 511,000 volts Therefore, when we apply 511,000 volts at rest, wavelength will stay at 0.0024 nanometer. And unless we apply an amount of voltage that exceeds at rest energy of this electron that has 9.11x10⁻³ kilogram, we cannot make it gain velocity. But in accepted physics theories, if you want make an electron that has 9.11x10⁻³ kilogram mass, if you apply only, say, for instance, 500 volts or 10 volts, you can make that electron gain velocity. This is wrong. You cannot kick the electron unless we apply an amount of voltage that exceeds at rest energy of this electron. We cannot make it gain velocity. It will still stay at rest. I will go on to tell my theory and my formulas. Have a good evening. See you later.